All right, y'all, we got the pork belly ready to go on the grill. This is gonna be awesome. Y'all, we are cooking up some delicious pork belly tonight. This is a whole pork belly. If you want extra crunch, get one with the skin on it. You want to add some mustard to those cubed pieces that you make and mix it all up. Make sure to slather it down real good. This is going to be our binder. Now you're going to add some paprika, then some Southern Boys low sodium seasoning to it. It's going to slap, y'all. Put it on a smoker for 3 hours at 250 degrees. We used a raised tray. Look how beautiful they are. You're going to take them off. After those 3 hours, you're going to add some brown sugar, you're going to add some barbecue sauce, and you're going to add some pure cane syrup. Put them back on that smoker in aluminum foil for 1 hour at 275. And man, you're going to see these beautiful pork belly bites. And they come out deliciously sweet, y'all.
Oh yeah.
Pork belly just came off the grill. It's looking good and barbecuey. Oh yeah. That's so good. Y'all try this recipe and let me know what you think. That's really good, babe.